Notice that.
You want to do it overnight the next couple of weeks?
My problem is if it's cold. If it's not too cold at night.
Oh, no, it won't be that cold.
Because I don't like it, I like it above,
75 day, 55 night.
There you go. Talking my language, girl.
Get it? Even if it's a little cold and there's no wind.
Mm-hmm, yes. That helps.
And you get a fire going. And you bring your silk liner for your bed,
Yeah. Well, I'm sleeping in it. It's kind of just the hanging out in it.
Well, and that's the thing. Yeah. You gotta have a fire.
Yeah.
But see, at this last season, well, I usually do Revis every year. This last season, we went, the great thing is we went on Thursday. We went on a Thursday morning and came out on Saturday.
Oh, really? Huh.
Yeah, we had it all to ourselves.
Yeah, I guess.
But we went there in that, I don't know, end of September, 1st of October. And it was just a little warm still.
Yes, there's really not any hills to speak of that of any significance.
This trail?
No, to Revis.
Revis? Oh. Yeah, but it's like 9.5 miles.
Yeah, it's a long hike.
I don't know, George and I, we've done that from both ways many times.
Okay.
I like that hike from the north coast.
I do too. I think it's very pretty. I agree with you, but it is a long hike.
Yeah. It's like 6.5 miles, but it's a climb.
He just did that one last year.
Plus, you can stop at the grave.
Yeah, and the grave's sort of right at the beginning of the climb, yeah.
Well, that's the one I did, but it's attacked for 6 days, also 7 days.
Yeah, he was out a long time.
Oh, I like this place.
I do too. I always love this place.
Looks like there's some happy vegetation down there in the water.
We were just here that last time, remember?
Yeah.
Oh my, look at that.
How about these holes? What
That's
are
quite the
these
plant down here.
Remember, we came from the other way though, George. Someday when I do that Sycamore Canyon in March, so I'm going to really push him. He wants me to push him to the push one in on that.
Oh, yeah.
That wall.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm going to really pay attention this time, too.
I'm gonna try to pick out a date and just say, okay, Todd, here you go. Yeah. Let's do this. Because every time he seems to go, hopefully we're going to Sycamore Canyon. I'm like, dude, I'm waiting on you. Well, I'm not remodeling my kitchen.
See, we're crossing over from Boulder Canyon and Creek over to LaBarge. That's what this is, a crossover. this hike down to the box, which is down at the end there. You can't see it from here.
Yeah.
If you go down another 2 miles is the box. Not quite 2 miles, probably a mile and a half. But this is what you walk. That's your trail right there.
The
Because there is no trail, yeah.
Ooh.
So right now that would be really hard with all this water in there. Because even when there's not very much water in there, it can be challenging. Yeah, that's a nice view for you. Battleship in your face. Nice, huh? Yeah, that's a lot of water. I think that's the most I've seen. Can I do this with my camera on or not? That's the question. Sweet. Yeah, that's a lot of water. This would be a tough hike today. This would be a tough hike today. Going down to the box because there's so much water. What, huh?
turning into pink, purple, orange, red. Hey, did we settle on the 27th or the 28th for the bike?
Oh, okay. Yes.
Based on your own preferences. Oh, I see. Machinery.
Oh, is that right?
And then zooming in and finding out, oh, it's quickly there. Or it's just rock.
Lots of water.